Alright guys, so I was fixing this OPDA and I forgot to make an intro, and we just came back from a fishing trip. I don't know if you guys can see, but we got the fishing pose right there, and so far she's been running really good. After changing the old OPDA to put the new one, she's been running perfect. I'm gonna show you guys a quick startup, make sure she's still running good, but fine. We're gonna start by removing the battery. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now we're going to remove the intake. I am using a flathead screwdriver to remove the bolts, but in your case you might have a tension clamp. Remove the sensor. A little tug or rub and she'll come out freely. I tried using an Allen key to take the lid off, but I messed up, so I had to drill it out. You will need a Torx T25 to take it out without stripping it.
It looks like a big one though.
I used a 3/4 socket to turn the engine over. You need one other person if you are doing this by yourself. We are slowly cranking the engine over still, counterclockwise.
Right there. So now the engine. That's perfect. That's perfect. No.
We are going to use our old crankshaft position sensor, so do not throw it away. We're just unbolting it. This will give us easier access to the bolt holding the OPDA. Pull the sensor right out and just set it to the side. There is a bracket holding the OPDA in place. The bolt on there is a size 13mm or a 1/2 inch wrench. I used the clip that came in the new OPDA and stuck it in the old one so it could stop it from moving, and you just want to twist and pull till it comes out. You want to inspect the hole to make sure there is no damage caused by the OPDA. Here is the old one and here is the new one. I did go with a crown unit, and I will give you the part number. It goes in the same way you took it out. If you are having a hard time and it won't go in, take it back out and try again. Do not force it in there. I'm cleaning out the bolt that goes to the bracket, holding the OPDA in place. Should be done though. I am putting everything back the way it was. There's the old OPDA. One more connection. Go ahead and tighten those up. So right here we got the key on. Just gonna crank her up. Boom. She is fixed. So I hope you guys found this video useful. As you can see, she's running good. Hope you guys found this video helpful and give it a thumbs up.